Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Chrome and signing in so your bookmarks, passwords, and extensions follow you. Once done, make sure your laptop has an active internet connection. Chrome needs it to load pages and sync data. If Chrome prompts to update, accept the update now because updates fix security and stability. While it restarts, you'll also confirm default search engine and default browser settings so links open in Chrome automatically and your workflow stays consistent. Now you'll navigate and organize tabs efficiently. Type directly into the Omnibox for searches or URLs because it combines search and address functions. Open multiple tabs with Ctrl or CMD+T and pin frequently used tabs to keep them accessible. This reduces clutter and prevents accidental closing. Make privacy choices next. Use incognito for private sessions, clear browsing data to remove traces, and review site permissions for camera, microphone, and location to control what websites can access. Finish by customizing and finalizing. Install extensions from the web store to add ad blocking, password management, or productivity tools. Choose only trusted extensions to avoid slowdowns. Make sure sync is enabled so your data is consistent across devices. If you encounter problems, try disabling extensions, clearing the cache, or resetting Chrome settings to defaults because these steps resolve most performance and loading issues. If that fails, restart your laptop and check for system updates to rule out OS-level conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.